Hey guys, and welcome to the tutorial for the Castle Walk dance for the 2019 Titanic. Okay, so this dance starts off with a traditional waltz hold with the gentleman's hand on the lady's shoulder blade with his right hand and the lady's left hand on the gentleman's right shoulder, and then hands cupped like this. Then take a step to the left hand side of the lady and ladies to the left hand side of the gentleman, and you're going to dance the whole dance like this, so that in the dance and the walking step motions you do not trot on each other. And now we'll start with the basic step. So we're all the way over here because we begin the dance in a 16-step turn around the room. So it begins like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And on the 16th step, you are going to about face, ladies and gentlemen. And so you're now facing the opposite direction, and you do another 8 steps in this motion. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now on the 8th step, you about face again, and you're now back in your original motion, and you do another 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you have done a total of 32 steps in the sequence, and now we'll move on to the next stage of the dance. Okay, great guys, you're going really well. So this step, we do a circle on the spot with 16 beats, but you're doing double time, so you'll end up doing 32 steps as follows. Great, so that was just on the spot in real time, so we won't break that down any further because it's easy enough to practice. Is 4 step pauses as follows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. As you'll notice, on the 4th beat, we pause and stand still, and then we go on to the next 3, and then pause again, as we just demonstrated. So it's the basic step of 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. This next step is very similar to the last step, with a pause on the 4th beat, but this instead, it is a sideways travel. Gentlemen and ladies turn, pivot on their feet, and gentlemen should be facing outside of the line of dance. And now the steps go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you saw, on the 4th beat, we pivoted back in, and then back in, and then back in. As we will now do this in real time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So with the last, just as like we did the last step, we do this 4 times. Okay. Now the last step of this dance begins with the 4 normal steps like we did at the beginning of the dance, like 1, 2, 3, 4. And now on the 4th beat, you spin the lady out, gentlemen, with your left hand, and then you can put your right hand behind your back, and now the ladies run in and around, and we begin the dance again. So that's it, guys. Now, once you have finished the final step, you're welcome just to go and repeat it with the music until the end. Just with the steps, gentlemen always begin on their left foot and ladies with their right. And just with swaying, it's more period accurate to sway as you're stepping, like so, because it was the beginning of the jazz period and it was a bit more loose with how they were dancing. We're going to dance it now to music and watch on and see how it goes.